Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today we will gonna discuss about 29 high fin affiliate programs of 2022. Whether you are new to affiliate marketing or looking to level up your current strategy, it definitely helps to seek out high paying affiliate programs. After all, you are doing this for a reason to make a living. There is a lot of sense of targeting top paying affiliate programs. As a blogger or an expert in your field, it takes roughly the same amount of time and effort to promote a product that pays as $100 commission as it does to promote one that pays $10. So why not follow the money? But with thousands of niches and tens of thousands of affiliate marketing programs to choose from, finding those what offer the best returns is like searching for a needle in a haystack. Fortunately, we have run all the number and figured out these 29 incredible high-fin affiliate programs. Okay, guys, now high-paying affiliate programs. Fortunately, we have run all the number and figured out these 29 niche high-paying affiliate programs. Number one, SEMrush. Number two, SiteGround. Number three, Liquid Web. Number four, Bluehost. And number five, a Hostinger. Number six, a HostGator. Number seven, CloudOS. Number eight, Elementor. Number nine, Sendinblue. Number 10, HubSpot. Number 11, GetResponse. And number 12, Fiverr. Number 13, Teachable. And number 14, Green Gex. And number 15, Tribe Themes. And number 16, AppZones. Number 17, Boulderl. Number 18, Insta. Number 19, Shopify. Number 20, WFE Engine. Number 21, Doggy Den and Training. Number 22, ClickFunnels. Number 23, or 23, Auto Authority Hacker. Number 24, Capitalist Exploits. Number 25, Thinkific. Number 26, BigCommerce. Number 27, Shift4Shop. Number 28, Fly Whale. Number 29, Keep. Okay guys, thanks for watching this video. Chat, bye bye.